Sounds impossible, but that's exactly what's happening right now on American roads. We're talking about vehicles with private helipads that cost more than entire lakes, and real rolling bunkers designed to survive the end of the world driving on highways today. Today I'm going to show you the 8 crazy. What you'll see at number 1 will leave you completely speechless. Top 8 with a beast stretching 45 feet that broke every mold when it functional helipad on the roof with a Robinson R-22 helicopter included. The system controls climate, lighting, and driving assistance with sensor. The interior is dominated by 3 75-inch 4K screens. The entire tech ecosystem, smart navigation, 300 preferences. On the upper terrace you'll find an automated jacuzzi, 5-star penthouse that moves with you. Priced at $2.5 million, mobile luxury made real. Number 7. Few compare to the heat. Will Smith's spectacular custom motor coach vasts like an oversized conventional trailer, but when it stops, a comprises, revealing a fully functional second floor. The result is something virtually unheard of in an RV. The upper level houses area. Downstairs you'll find a professional kitchen with luxury built-in sauna and walls that turn opaque at the touch of a button. Systems. It's a true futuristic mansion on wheels, designed single detail. Number 6. Element Palazzo. The Element Palazzo Superior isn't just one of the most expensive RVs in the world, aviation, and luxury yachts. What makes this rolling at the press of a button, the roof hydraulically rises to create a fully the built-in fireplace, perfect for stargazing in the middle of nowhere. Technology found in supercars, giving it a surprisingly low weight. Aerodynamic lines with a huge panoramic window, offering 300 exclusive penthouses in Manhattan. A master bedroom with a king-size gourmet kitchen with a breakfast bar and integrated wine cellar. It guarantees 5. Terrawind. And here's where things get serious. It's a fully amphibious RV. Yes, it can literally drive into the cool amphibious manufacturers. International, this beast has waterproof hull that allows it to float and move through lakes, rivers like any luxury motorhome. But once it reaches the water, it only takes. Inside you'll find bedrooms with panoramic windows, a full kitchen bathroom with a tub. It's priced around $1.2 million. Americans set out to reinvent a vehicle. They have no fear of crossing the line. SAIC Maxus Life Home. V90. Press of a button. That's the SAIC Maxus Life Home. V90, redefining what a home on wheels can be. Its biggest innovation, and a second floor rises from the roof, creating a 2-story living space home that looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Insights to the blinds to the climate system. It features an L-shaped sheen and internet-connected smart appliances, plus a full-side energy independence for days without needing an external hookup. Home V90 isn't just an RV, it's intelligent mobile performance. We enter the top 3 with the Volkner Mobile Performance S is a 40-foot machine hiding an insane supercar, a Bugatti, a Ferrari, or a Lamborghini. Comfort. This compartment is strategically positioned between the vehicle noise, fumes, or vibration while driving. But that's not all. While its smart system automatically manages temperature, lighting, engine producing 454 horsepower, $264.4 million motorhome completely redefines what it means to travel. Number 2. Earth Roamer. Forget conventional asphalt. In Colorado, this beast is designed to literally survive the end of the world. Ford F550 chassis. It can cross deserts, snow-capped size would dare to go. Its body is constructed with carbon fiber. It comes equipped with high-output solar panels, water tanks for equipped kitchen. Inside, it's surprisingly luxurious. Leather upholstery systems controlled from a tablet. It comfortably sleeps a family of 4, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Pricing starts at $600,000. The Earth Roamer isn't a motorhome. It's a mobile bunker for adventurers. Overland XLE. And we arrive at number 1, the Mammoth Overland XLE is the craziest, most secure. Why? Because it's fully armored and built to withstand virtually any distant to rifle fire, and it comes with an NBC air filtration system real time. Yes, you heard that right. It is literally prepared for an. Inside there's a gourmet kitchen, a master bedroom with a king-size dual generators, and independent satellite connectivity. It's not a vehicle in complete darkness. Priced at over $500,000 states, even RVs are designed to survive the end of the world. True intelligent systems built to deliver total autonomy, extreme cut. Now tell me, which one impressed you the most? Would you dare? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more content like